gonna build a snowman. Okay, don't run away. I'll just stick with DIYs. As you can see, I'm gonna make olaf today. I'm starting from making hand and hair because they need some time to dry. I'm gonna make 2 sticks for hand and 3 sticks for hair. After making it, keep it aside and let dry completely. Pay close attention when you make this. Time to make head. Make a long elongated part for neck and a short elongated part for forehead. Repeat the process until you reach that perfect shape. Pinch those cheeks to add a smile on Olaf's face. After placing the nose, carefully mark the eye location. Now carefully fix the eyes on its place. Time to add those pearls I made. Now let us do some planting. Fun, right? Make 2 small legs for Olaf. Make a big, fluffy and flat stomach area. And it is supposed to look like this. For the chest area, repeat the same process but in much smaller size. Make 3 tiny little buttons and place it in its position. Ta-da! That's a colorless Olaf. So let's quickly add some color to it. Let me introduce you to the Olaf that I have made. Don't be scared, that was just my work from 3 years ago. This is my current work. Out of 10, how much have I improved? Leave it in the comment section. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. If you love the video, then definitely share it with your friends. Bye! See you next time!